and welcome.
Scott Tyndall's Home Shop.
Yes, I am Scott,
And I am Tera.
and we hope you enjoy the following video, so stay tuned.
Hello everybody, Scott Tyndall's Home Shop, and behind the camera is
Tera.
Alright. Everybody's seen me weld, everybody's seen me build stuff. It's just going to be a quick little video. This is an idler pulley off of a lawnmower. It's two pieces of stamped steel welded together with a bearing pressed in the center. The socket's pressed on each side, and then the bearing's put in there and it's put together and spot welded. Well, my wife's working from home. She's at work right now. She can't leave. My truck just tore up for the third time this month. Power steering pump pressure valve locked up and blowed the seals out of the gearbox. So I just drilled out the drilled out the spot welds, put a bearing in there the bearing actually come out of an idler pulley off of my truck, goes in here. Where's the little piece you picked up off the floor?
Where'd it go?
Really? With us beating on the table?
Oh, here it is.
Alright, this is a little standoff that goes with it. That just presses right through the center. Bob's your uncle, there you go.
You have Uncle Bob.
Alrighty. So, don't ever just run out to the store and buy something.
Try
to repair it first.
And then, if it doesn't work.
Then if it don't work, you haven't screwed nothing up. It's already screwed up. Alright, talk to y'all later. Bye.